Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can create guest account. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to create guest account, simply click on the start button, then click on settings. Here click on accounts and here you will find option called family and other user. Simply click this option and here we have other user option. Simply click on add account. As we are going to create guest account on Windows 11, so we don't need to enter Microsoft account. Instead of that, simply click on I don't have this person sign in information. And here click on add a user without Microsoft account. And here just name your guest username. Say for example, I'm just going to create guest account username. This is a guest account, so you don't need to create a password. If you create a password, then make it simple. And after that, simply click on next. And here you can see guest account has been added to our Windows 11 computer. Now to access this guest account, you can simply click on the start button and here right click on it and here you will find guest account. So this way you can create guest account on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.